please. Come. Run with the family. So run right. Village, this is the so long to the street. At the end of the day, come please, come. No. At the end of the day, we want to all remain as friends and all live together as friends. You know what's going on? It's just 1 point difference, right? MK Promotion was never no judge, and at the end of the day, we come out winner. Now, don't feel in mind. Don't feel the clash done here. You see the 17th of July? You see MK Corridor and Shasho? We did. Both are winners in their own right. Both are winners in their own right. We thank you everybody for coming. And remember MK in May, in Mayaro, each and every year. Thank you very much. Can you get on the finish before you go, please? Good. We lock off no more music. Guys, today, coming in. Good. Wonderful. Right. We thank you very much for coming, making sure that everything is possible each and every time. Hey! But we have 5 trophies together. We have the 5 trophies together. DJ Malan. You know, you're the man was church in that whole night. And the 5 trophy.